Mastering the Chicago Style, Citing Lectures and Presentations. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving into the Chicago citation style, specifically focusing on how to cite lectures and presentations using the author-date system. Proper citation is crucial in academic writing, and today's guide will ensure you do it correctly. Before we jump into citing lectures, it's essential to understand the author-date system. This system is prevalent in the sciences and social sciences. In essence, you'll mention the author and the publication year within the text and then provide a reference list at the end of your paper with the detailed source. Example in text: Smith, 2020. Reference list: Smith, John, 2020. Title of the book: Publisher City, Publisher. Just like books, articles, and websites, lectures and presentations are valuable sources of information. They might offer unique insights or data unavailable elsewhere. By citing them, you acknowledge the original speaker or author and maintain the integrity of your academic work. Now, let's delve into the main event. When citing lectures or presentations in the Chicago style, here's what you need to remember. 1. Author's name. Always begin with the last name followed by a comma and then the first name. 2. Year of presentation. This will be enclosed in parentheses. 3. Title of the lecture. This should be in italics and followed by a period. 4. Description. This could be lecture, keynote address, etc. 5. Location of the lecture and date. This could be the university or institution where the lecture was delivered, followed by the exact date. Example: Smith, John, 2020. Insights into Quantum Physics. Lecture presented at Harvard University, Cambridge, Massachusetts, January 15th. Tip: if the lecture or presentation is available online, you might also need to include a URL or DOI at the end of the citation. This makes it easier for readers to access the original material. Citing lectures and presentations in the Chicago style is not that different from other sources. Remember, it's all about giving credit where it's due and ensuring your readers can trace back your information sources. I hope you found this guide useful. Keep writing, and always remember to cite your sources correctly. Until next time.